If you're dropping 1 hour loops, DJ mashups, or custom remixes on YouTube right now, you are actively fueling a multi-billion-dollar financial engine. As of December 2024, YouTube has paid over $12 billion to rights shareholders explicitly from advertising revenue generated by user-generated content. In fact, fan-uploaded content currently accounts for a staggering 50% of the music industry's total revenue on the platform. But as the creator putting in the hours to edit, curate, and produce those videos, you are likely seeing 0 cents of it. Today, we are breaking down the exact mechanics of YouTube's Content ID monopoly, the illusion of their new creator music feature, and the exact marketing strategy you must use to actively survive the modern remix economy. To understand why the platform traps your money, you have to look at the consumer psychology. American adult users spend a massive average of 46 minutes per day on YouTube. Why? Because of what analysts call the jukebox effect. People don't just actively watch YouTube. They use it as a glorified Spotify competitor. They pull up continuous lo-fi streams, 1 hour R&B loops, and custom mashups specifically to play as background noise while they multitask. Because of this massive demand for uninterrupted audio, YouTube generated an astounding $36.1 billion in total ad revenue in 2024. The traffic is there, but the moment you upload that audio, you trigger the most sophisticated digital trap on the internet. You might think you can outsmart the system. You pitch shift the vocals, speed up the beat, or layer the acapella underneath heavy 808s, but it almost never works. YouTube handles an astonishing 99.5% of all music copyright claims automatically through its Content ID system, boasting a 99.7% accuracy rate. Only a marginal 0.5% of claims ever require human intervention. When you upload a video, the audio and visual components are instantly scanned against a massive, continuously updated database of reference files submitted by major record labels and publishers. This acoustic fingerprinting technology is so robust that it dissects your layered audio and flags the underlying intellectual property within seconds. You aren't getting caught by a human at a label. You are getting caught by an algorithm designed to protect institutional revenue streams at an unprecedented scale. When you get hit with a copyright claim, you might notice multiple different companies claiming the exact same mashup. This is where the complexity of music rights kick in. When you remix a track, you are generally utilizing 2 distinct sets of rights. First are the master use rights, which are typically held by the record label that financed the original recording. They own the actual sound file of the beat or the vocal. Second are the public performance rights, which apply to the underlying composition, the actual lyrics and melody, managed by publishers and performing rights organizations, PROs. Content ID is engineered to automatically manage these fractional ownerships. It acts as an automated accountant, instantly splitting the pennies generated by your video and ensuring that both the label and the publisher receive their respective cuts. When that automated system flags your video, the rights holder's predetermined policy is applied, falling into one of 3 distinct tiers. Tier 1 is blocked. The rights holder forbids the use of their material entirely, rendering the video unviewable to the public. This yields 0 revenue for everyone and functions as a standard digital takedown. Tier 2 is demonetized. The video remains live, contributing to your channel's view count and algorithmic reach, but you are explicitly barred from generating any advertising revenue. But Tier 3 is the cornerstone of the YouTube remix economy. Revenue claimed by the rights holder. Under this policy, your video stays up and YouTube actively places advertisement before, during, or after the content. However, 100% of the monetizable revenue share that would traditionally go to you, typically a 55% share, is instead completely redirected to the copyright owner. This revenue claim model has created a massive passive income stream for major labels, turning your unauthorized fan uploads into an institutionalized, highly profitable revenue engine. Now, YouTube recently tried to introduce a bridge for this called creator music, allowing creators to either buy upfront licenses or split the revenue with the original artist. But if you are a mashup artist or a producer dropping loops, this is largely an illusion. Under the creator music model, if a track is licensable, but you want to split the revenue instead of a payout up front, YouTube restricts you to using less than 30 seconds of that track in a video that must be longer than 3 minutes. If you are making a 3-minute DJ mashup or a continuous 1-hour loop, that 30-second rule instantly disqualifies you. Furthermore, the standard 55% creator revenue share gets dynamically reduced and chopped up based on how many tracks you use to cover the clearing costs. It is a system built for lifestyle vloggers who need background music, not for producers creating sonic derivative works. So, when you are running an independent label or producing your own tracks, how do you actually survive this bottleneck? You have to stop treating these viral loops as a direct income stream and start treating them as a loss leader. A loss leader is a product given away for free to attract customers and stimulate brand awareness, betting that the long-term value of that newly acquired customer will far exceed the initial loss of revenue. This is the foundational economic theory behind the 2000s mixtape circuit. Artists like Lil Wayne released legendary mixtapes like The Drought 3, filled with unmonetized tracks over uncleared industry popular beats. Because the beats weren't cleared, he couldn't sell them commercially. But the mixtape was not the product, it was the marketing. That free digital distribution built a rabid fan base that funneled directly into his fully owned studio album, The Carter 3, which sold over 1 million copies in its first week. This is the exact playbook you have to run. When your mashup gets hit with a content ID claim but drives 100K views, let the major label take the AdSense. Use that top of funnel reach to aggressively direct viewers straight to your original, fully monetized catalog and your own DSP links. You are trading unmonetized ad revenue for highly targeted free marketing. But what if you didn't have to trade? What if there was a platform actively paying creators a guaranteed 20% revenue split for using licensed music in their videos? In part 2, we are breaking down the illusion of Meta's music revenue sharing model and why taking your mashups to Facebook won't actually solve your problem. Subscribe so you won't miss out. All right? Peace.